Welcome to the Mesonet Weather Report. I'm Wes Lee. We have talked for several weeks about just how cool the spring weather has been in Oklahoma. To back that up, here is the average high temperature for Norman since May 1st shown in the blue fill. The black line is this year's recorded temperatures. On only 7 days did the high temperature reach the average line for that day. This cool weather, along with our wet soils, has most of our farming operations way behind schedule for this time of year. This week's USDA progress report shows that wheat harvest was only at 2%. This is 15% behind normal. Only 45% of alfalfa has been cut this year, down 30% of normal. And all row crop plantings, including soybeans shown here, are down. They are behind normal plantings by 21%. Of the crops that are planted, they also are growing behind schedule. This table is cotton degree days. It shows only 82% of the 5-year average at Altus and 71% at Kingfisher. However, midweek, a weather switch was flipped, and now we are looking at multiple days above normal temperatures with limited rain. On Wednesday, forecasts were expecting the first 100 of the year at Hollis. These hot temperatures should be just what is needed to get our crop production back on track. Now here's Gary focusing on the rain picture.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, we did ask Mother Nature for a little bit of help getting that wheat harvest started. She certainly complied. We also need a little bit more help with drought. Let's get to the latest maps and see what's happening. Well, our drought map hasn't changed much at all from last week. We still have that moderate to severe drought from southwestern up through central Oklahoma. A little bit of abnormally dry conditions surrounding that, a little bit to the southeast of that area, a little bit to the northwest, but looking good over most of the state. Like I said, Mother Nature did come through for us. We have started to dry out as we've gotten into June. These are the rainfall totals for June 1st through June 8th. Most of the state, 0 to a half inch or so. Now some areas like down in southeast Oklahoma, 11.9 inches down there. That's an incredible amount for just 10 days, or 8 days rather. But most areas on the dry side, helping us dry out so we can get those combines and trucks out into the fields. The numbers aren't really important on this percent of normal map. It's really the colors. So we see the reds, oranges, yellows. Those are regions where the rainfall is much less than normal. Then we look at the blues and greens. Those are rainfall amounts that are greater than normal. And this time of the year, we are still in the rainy season, believe it or not. So if you're wetter than normal during mid-June, you're still pretty wet. And if you're a little bit on the dry side, it's a little bit unusual, but we are seeing things dry out quite well because we have had so much rainfall in most parts of the state. So now we'll see if we can actually get through most of June, getting all that wheat in, and then we'll just wait and see what's in store for us in the summer. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.